Welcome to the Smart Media booth here at ISC 2025. My name is Mathias W, and I wanted to show you one of our highlights here, the Ever 350 Mobile. This is a mobile stand, so you have these big wheels, so it's easy to move the product around. In this particular case, we have a specific mount for the barcode unit here, as you can see. And on the side here, there's a possibility to hang the wireless dongles so you don't lose track of them in the meeting room. The product itself can take weights up to 100 kilos, 86-inch displays maybe. And it's also a motorized stand, so it's possible to raise and lower the display like this. Thank you. And if you want to find out more about our products, go to www.smartmediasolutions.com. Thank you.